The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Colorado Springs, Colorado, weighing in at 273 pounds, the almighty Bobby Lashley.
Guys, Bobby Lashley has a physique that's carved out of marble.
Yeah, Michael, when you look at Bobby Lashley, you see an absolute freak of nature. And it is almost impossible to stop this runaway train. The presence of Bobby Lashley is not a figment of your imagination. There's no filter on a social media app needed. Bobby Lashley is as real as it gets.
Hey, he's a peak physical specimen. Proud U.S. Army veteran who's dominated sports entertainment for nearly 2 decades. It's Batista.
And his opponent from Washington, D.C., weighing in at 290 pounds, the Animal Batista!
We can list this man's accolades all day long. A former WWE champion, a Royal Rumble winner, a man who has main evented WrestleMania. And now Batista simply demands that the WWE Universe give him what he wants. We all know Lashley's physique is that which has been sculpted from Mount Olympus itself. This guy won't win a pose down against the Almighty. Do you think there's a chance he can win a fight?
The almighty Bobby Lashley looking to get things going here. Bobby's physical presence usually helps him gain the advantage before his opponent even realizes what's happening.
The man is chiseled from Mount Olympus, Cole. The Almighty views every opponent the same way. Just another obstacle in his path. And when you're built like Lashley, they're more like speed bumps than barriers.
No doubt, Corey, that Bobby Lashley is an absolute physical specimen.
But he is in for a challenge taking on Batista. As unpredictable and uncontrollable as they come, everything Batista does is about defying expectations.
Or defying allegiances. Big Dave doesn't have a ton of friends in the locker room because when push comes to shove, what matters most to Batista is Batista. He's here to carve out his own legacy and doesn't care who ends up as collateral damage.
All the momentum's against Lashley now.
This has to feel demoralizing for Bobby.
Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
The damage he's taken is starting to pile up.
Seeing some no-nonsense offense from Batista.
Big boot. He can end it here. Gets his shoulder up before the 2 count.
And those kickouts are only going to get harder.
Heads outside, but this one has to end in the ring.
Hoist their opponent all the way up. Just holding their opponent there. Looks like 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000. They can go all night. Rotating vertical suplex. Nicely done.
Batista dishing it out now.
Call animal control. Batista's loose.
We know the dominance and destruction Bobby Lashley is capable of. We know why he's so difficult to prepare for, but Corey, there has to be something an opponent can do against the Almighty.
You can't allow Lashley to impose his will. You can't permit him to intimidate you and live in your head rent-free. You've got to be fearless in your attack on Lashley and land direct hits.
Held in a perilous position.
Planted face first.
Elbow drop.
Piercing.
Lashley's losing any kind of advantage here.
Fearless attacks have staggered the Almighty. Lashley may not know what's going on right now.
Spinning side slam. This match's brutality starting to show on him.
The animal's been grinding his teeth all night, and that was an indication that he's ready to feast now.
And he has answers for Batista.
Belly-to-belly suplex.
A little showboating from the Almighty.
Oh, he's got him here. He's got him up.
And
elbow drop.
piercing.
Producing a trampling.
Batista is feeding off the WWE Universe. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, not to the belly. Something's about to go either very wrong or very right.
Soaring.
High impact. Batista is out of his cage.
Bobby's arsenal is being taken away.
Ah, what a smash.
That is just insulting. Stomp after stomp after stomp.
Taking a trip outside, but he's got to be mindful of the count.
Stomp it away.
Oh, I don't have you seeing stars.
Oh, red in there.
Lashley might be able to start mounting something here.
Maybe Lashley's found a new source of aggression to battle back with.
Jarring impact. Able to get the advantage here. Bobby Lashley. Oh, man, this dude is so powerful as he delivers.
There's the Dominator. Absolutely thunderous offense from the Almighty.
That will rattle your bones for days.
Just cranking the head.
What are you guys thinking?
Obviously not about the ref's count, Cole.
Coming back in the ring. Bobby Lashley with the W.
Here is your winner, the Almighty Bobby Lashley.
Rules are rules, and the referee deemed this one a count out.
I think that ref's count might have been a bit fast, but hey, it's his decision.